Hi there, this is Grace at the Monroe Ben Franklin, and today we wanted to share this craft with you guys. They're cute little Chenille stem little flowers that would be great for spring or maybe Mother's Day gift. And they're super easy to make, very little hot gluing involved. And we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so these are the supplies that you'll need. We have various colors of the chenille stems. You can choose whatever colors you want for your flowers. A 2-inch styrofoam ball and a little terracotta pot. A brown colored paintbrush, and a pen or pencil. And then we also carry and store a variety pack that has pretty much all the colors that you'll need. I think the only color that's not in there is the purple. But it's a nice option if you wanted to choose your own colors. And then we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first one we're going to start with is painting our little styrofoam ball so it can dry while we're doing making our flowers. And I'm going to set this in here so I can let it dry. And then we're going to go ahead and start first with our tulip one. So what you'll need are red and green chenille stems, and you're going to use 6 of the red. And I'm just going to make one of the flowers here. And then you're going to cut it into thirds. So I'm kind of just going to eyeball it the best I can. I'm going to kind of fold them in half to kind of get an idea. Somewhere around like that. So we have all our little pieces there. Those are going to make the petals of our tulip. And then to make the stem, we're just going to fold one in half and then kind of just twist it so that it stays together. And then we're going to do the same with all of our little petals. We'll fold it in half, pinch it, and then kind of twist them a little bit. All right, and so I'm going to leave one of those pieces loose because we're going to use this to tie all of these to our stem. So the folded end is going to be angled down. So I have all my kind of sharp pointy ends facing up. We're just going to kind of bunch it around our stem, kind of making sure the stem is in the middle, and all the ends are kind of even with each other. Once you have them all nice and bundled, you're going to take that last little piece, wrap it around close to the top, and pull it as tight as you can and twist it. And then kind of just lay those little ends flat. I'm going to trim these just so they're a little even, so they don't have any sticking out. And then we're just going to fold these up, kind of making them in a curved shape there. These are going to make the petals of our tulip. All right, so that's your little tulip flower. And then you can take another green chenille stem if you want and make little leaves. I just kind of pinch the top and then twist the ends around your stem. And there you have it. There's your little tulip. And then next, we're going to do our daffodil. So we're going to need yellow and orange chenille stems. And to make a flower, you'll need 1 orange one and 3 yellow ones. And then of course your green ones to make your stem. And so this one, we're just gonna take our chenille stems and kind of find our center and kind of twist them around each other so they stay in place. Kind of start rolling it in to make this little spiral. And you're just gonna keep rolling it as tight as you can down to the center. And I found it looks best if you roll in the same direction. So I'm gonna keep rolling in that same direction. All right, so now we have our little petals, and now we're gonna do the center of it. And we're gonna do the same thing, kind of just start making that little spiral to whatever size you want the middle of your flower to be. I'm gonna go until about there, and then you're gonna kind of just start wrapping around your fingers. A little tricky to make this kind of little cone shape. Like that, and then press it down. And this will be our middle of our flower. And this is the only time you'll need hot glue. I'm just gonna put a little dollop of hot glue on there. That way it stays on my flower. There we go. And I'm gonna take my stem and I'm gonna fold it in, well, actually, first I'm gonna like lace it in here and then find that middle. And pinch it and twist. And you'll do the same thing if you want to do a leaf. You can just use another chenille stem, pinch it, and then twist the ends onto it. And there we have our daffodil. Alrighty, last but not least, we have our little lavender. And for this one, you'll just need 2 purple and then a green for the stem again. So the stem you're gonna again fold in half, pinch and twist. And this is where your pen is gonna come in handy. So you're gonna take your purple ones and you're just gonna wrap it around your pen. And then kind of squish it to condense it down so there's no spaces. And do the same thing with your other one. All right, and then you just take it off of your pen. And then you take your stem, stick it into the middle of your spiral. And then you kind of just take the top and make your spiral just a little bit tighter there so it comes to a point a little bit. And then you can do the same with the bottom too, and this will help hold on your pipe cleaner too. And then you can take your chenille stem and make another little leaf if you want. Just like before, twist it on, and you have your little lavender. All right, so I have all my flowers made, and I'm just going to squish them into my flower or my styrofoam ball in my little pot there. And just squish it right in there. And you can squish them further down if you want it to stand up higher than the others. Like that. And then you can kind of just play with it until you get it how you like it. And there you have it. You have a little chenille stem flower pot. And this would be a great for a Mother's Day gift or a project with kids. Super fun and super easy, and you can pretty much do whatever colors you like. But there you have it. Thanks for watching.